Hello children, now we entered into pronunciation unit 1 and second class. So we are already in this unit. We are in the starting stage of pronunciation regarding CSS. Regarding CSS, it is the second class for you. First, I already introduced the phonetics and its chart. I think you all could have introduced it with it. But again, I want to repeat the same class for you, not the same material, but the pronunciation class is to be given for you again and again. So now we are entering into the unit 1 pronunciation second class. See, these are all phonetic sounds. Phonetic sounds. In this, these are particularly consonant sounds, not vowel sounds. These are particularly consonants. What are meant by consonants? What are consonants? Consonants are hallulu. In Telugu, we call it as hallulu. Achulu, hallulu. So I referred it in the first class. I already referred this for you people in the first class. Achulu, hallulu. You leave those achulu. In the first class, I have given very fair material of that. Now it's a totally the part of hallulu means consonants. Hallulu means consonants. Coming to those sounds, see this P. It's meant for pip. So the first sound P is the consonant sound. B. B. Bib. I know you know what is meant by B. B. It is a consonant sound. So observe, you people have to observe the lips movement. The lip movement you should particularly observe. Bib. The two lips they join together. Bib. Again they join. 10. It was open. 10. T. It was open. Then again it was open. Cat. See, our tongue it has been rolled. Tongue was rolled. Cat. Get. Again roll. Cat. Get. So tongue is to be rolled back. Fish. So the lips are open. Fish. The lips are freely open. Thing. Again. Thing. Lips are open. This. It went down. Da. Da. This. Fish. Thigh. Tha. Da. Tha. Da. You could write down. Write down the Telugu sounds. You note down this chart and write in your notes the same in Telugu. Fish, fa, thigh, tha, this, da, yes, set, yes is for set, z, zoo, z, zoo, ship, sha, long s. Ship means long s. It's a shape. It's a shape. They call it as sheep, sha, measure. See, some Z and long. Z and long. It is yes, MEASURE. A, leave it. A and S, they combine together, we make it as measure. Measure. So the symbol, you have to note down the symbol and have to write down the Telugu alphabet beside that. Hen, ha. Ha means hen, Telugu sound. Search, cha sound, cha, cha. Sound, search. Z, ja sound. Z, za sound. Man, yum, m sound. Ma sound. Yen, na sound. Now. Sing, n plus long I. Sing, ring, just like that. ing sound. It is very particular. Ing sound. Ing. You note down that symbol. It's very important. Sure, in exam you will get that ing sound. Let, L sound. R, ride. W, wet. Z, yet. So it is it is not J, it is not Y. So it is yet. So for that they are pronouncing as J. Yet. So when we pronounce in English, yet, so write down yet, even then yet. So means that is the sound it has been written. So we again go back. Bit, bit, ten, den, cat, get, fish, thigh, this, set, zoo, ship, measure, hen, church, judge, man, now, sing, let, ride, wet, air. So I think it's clear. It is an assignment for you. You have to write down in Telugu. These sounds you have to write down and keep it in your notes. This is the assignment assigned to you. In that there are voiced and unvoiced. There are voiced sound and unvoiced sounds. See the observation. You have to note down this observation. See, fat, fat. It is no vibration. So just pronounce it. You have to pronounce it. Fat. No sound. Wag. So there is a stress. There is a vibration. Fat. Wag. Come. It's very light. It just floats. Come. Gum. Gum. G is stressed. G is stressed. It got its vibration. Pit. Pit. It's in the pit. So no vibration. Just it's floating. Bit. B is stressed and got its voice. Sip. No vibration. It is unvoiced. Sip is unvoiced. Zip, but zip is voiced. Z. It is voiced. Tan. Ton. T is, even though T got a stress, but it is to be floated. What is the ton? Wait, so no vibration. Done. So regarding these two, ton and done, T is floating, but D is stressed. You just pronounce for yourself and have that observation. Ton, done. Ton is floating, ton is just floating, and is in the sky, but done is just stressing. Shin, shin. So it doesn't have any vibration, but zin got vibration. Zin. Z is stressed and it is vibrate. Thick, thick. 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 Where is the vibration? TH. Two got the vibration. This. TH. See the difference. It is TH. It is TH. But it is the thick is very light and is on the and is floating. But in this TH is stressed. It is TH, it is TH, but see the difference. Thick. It's a very thick material, but this, see the difference between that and this two. Voiced and unvoiced. Pressure, pleasure. See, yes and yes. Here the two is yes. But the thing is, it got its vibration, it got its no vibration. It is unvoiced, it is voiced. See, pressure. I got the pressure of doing that, but in this voice, I got the pleasure. Pleasure. So, yes, you is stress. See the difference and pronounce it again. Fat, wet. Come, gum. Bit, bit. Zip, zip. Ton, done. Shin, gin. Thick, this. Pressure, pleasure. So practice it again and again, sure you will get it. So I'm providing this chart again and again. You have to make a screenshot or whatever it is. You should keep it with this chart for totally lifelong. You could keep this with you people, and whenever you got it out, you could check this chart, and again you can always go and have the finding of yourself what it is to be pronounced. This letter how it is to be pronounced. See how clearly they have given. These are diphthongs. These totally this chart and this chart is of vowel chart. This one and this one is of vowel chart. In these vowels, these are these are what these are diphthongs. These are diphthongs. These are vowels. How many vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are only 5. But the sounds for that are how many? 20. In that, 12 are monophthongs and 8 are diphthongs. See vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are monophthongs. These are diphthongs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 diphthongs. What do you mean by diphthong? I already told you. What is meant by diphthong? Two vowels, they come side by side, then it is called diphthongs. Monophthongs means only one vowel sound. See the difference in this vowel sounds. In monophthongs itself, see the difference. This is violet color. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are short sounds. Even in monophthongs, these are short sounds. And see the blue. These are long sounds. You. This is short sound. You, E. This is A. This is long sound. This is A and E combined together. Had. See had. H-A-T had. In H there is A and A it is E. A, E combined together. It is a long sound. A. Yeah, short sound. This is short sound. A, E combined together, we make it short. Hat. So we make it short. This is again short sound. This is long sound. Short sound. You see the difference, all these things. These are totally diphthongs. I already told you what are meant by diphthongs. And again in this consonant sounds, see T, B, T, D, Z, Z, K, Z, F, V, Ta, Ta, Sa, Z, Sha, Sha, Z, measure, Ma, Na, In, H, I, R, double, yeah. So in these sounds, again there is a variation. See, this green color, whatever it is given, this is called voiced consonants. This green color is voiced consonants. This shady color, in green another shade is there, these are unvoiced consonants. This chart is totally of consonants. How many you see? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 consonants. In these 24 consonants, again voiced consonants and unvoiced consonants. See, voiced consonants are with green. Ba, va, da, ta, za, zi, ji, sha. These are voiced. Unvoiced consonants. We go for unvoiced consonants. Pa, ta, sa, ke, yaf, ta, sa, sha, yam. These are totally consonants. That's all. N, ing, h, I, double, c. These are just consonants. These are unvoiced. This green shade is unvoiced. This thick green shade is voiced consonants. I think you could make say an observation. Again, this chart is being provided for you for this class also, and have a good observation and make it a lifelong answer for you people to pronounce. So we go to the next one. See how it is to be written. Abduct. Abduct. Ye, how it is been written. Reverse ye. Admit. A is, we are pronouncing half A, we are pronouncing. So it was been written in the reverse thing. Combine. How we pronounce, in that way they write. That's all. How we pronounce, how the combine is pronounced is been written. If you don't know the pronunciation of any word, you just go for it phonetic transcription. Immediately you will have the clarity of how to pronounce a word. Confirmation. See how it will be written. Con, confirmation. 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 Condition. Condition. This long S is nothing but sha. This long S is nothing but sha. For example, we have seen it in ship. Condition. Elaborate. 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 I think you understood. Write down. To put a notes and make it a habit of doing that. Write down. Spin. Scar. Stand. Spring. Squeak. You could see the variation in speak. Squeak. How it is written in phonetic transcription. Bed. Flat. Ye, ye combined together. Las, long R. If two dots are there, it is to be pronounced as long. If two dots are there, it is for long. Like that. Small a, two dots. What? So the reverse A is to shorten the sound. The reverse A is just to shorten the sound. Two dots. See, bird. Ship. I is made short. Ship. Feet. See, two dots. Long. It is to be pronounced as long. Feet. Potato. Reverse. Make it short. It is to be two dots. Whenever the two dots, it is a long vowel. That's all. Per. Rough. It is to be shortened. Rough. Reverse. Rough. Tip. You. Food. See, in took and food, there is a difference between took and food. You see, in took, it is you. That's all. In food, coming to the food, there is two dots beside this U. It is to be pronounced as long U. Took, it is short. Food, it is long. Took, food. I think you could know the difference between that and this. I think you understood. Just only thing is you just have to pronounce again and again and make it an observation. Write down in a notebook and practice this as and when it's possible for you. Bed, flat, lost, walk, bird, ship, foot, tip, rough, paw, potato, feet. Voiced, unvoiced. I think we completed this, I think. Let's see. This is your assignment for the next class. These are the names of vegetables. I think there is no this is for assignment for you. Vegetable names. You have to write down. You have to write down. That's all. This is your homework for the next class. See. One I will tell you. The last one is asparagus. Then it is asparagus. These are the names of a. These are the names of the vegetables. What I have given you is the names of vegetables. Again, we go for the practice of it. C, A, B, C, D. Only you have to stress on these. Only thing is not on these alphabets. We know alphabets, you may feel. All you people feel that we know alphabets, why to pronounce again you feel. But with this sound, you have to pronounce these alphabets. The given sound, the below this, din kindi chanchodanam. This with this sound you have to pronounce this. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, K, E, Y. See how it is going. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, I. See it is T, I, T, I, U, U. So we only pronounce U. But see how he has given I and U. U, V, I, V. We know it is V, but we have to pronounce this as V, I, V. W, E, X, Y, V, A, I, Y. Z, D, Z, Z. So you just have to practice, that's all. There's nothing to tell you again and again. You just have to practice this. With exact pronunciation given in the chart, you have to practice. That is the main thing, to get pronunciation in it. And it is a last resort for us. Thank you all. We'll continue in the next class. We just have to write down the assignment. See the assignment. We have to write down this assignment. We are going to give you we are going to give you the marks for this. Internal marks are totally dependent on these assignments. You have to put a notes and write down. Everything you have to write down. If not, you are not going to carry forward. Only making some assignments in the Google Classroom, it is not enough. You have to put a notebook, you have to write down, and then you are going to get a lot of marks, internals. It is totally dependent on your work. That's all. Thank you all. We'll continue in the next class.